Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It is the grand scheme of crypto back at you once again with another video. This time we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and taking a look at the chart on the daily to give you guys some information. About Bitcoin, right? So as we can see here, Bitcoin is currently sitting at $104,000 and 619. $104,619, excuse me. And we are, I want to say we're sitting on a new level of support here at 104,000, right? This previous level that I marked out here, um, it's 104,000 has kind of been flipping to support. Now we hold this, we're gonna sit here and go sideways for a second. We could come back down, to about 102,000, and then maybe even come back down to about 100,000 again, because this trend line right here is what I'm looking at to be like the end all be all, as far as like if we do get a bounce, if we happen to come down, this is where it'll bounce at the lowest, right? And then start making its way back, boom, climb up. So, you could see something like that. Now, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but you could see something like that. So, we just want to always be wary. So I'm not looking at Bitcoin right here because, it's, you don't, I like, it's all about confidence for me. So if I'm confident in the trend, and I'm confident in the trend, but I'm not confident in the current pattern, right? So I'll be confident if it actually comes down here. This is what I'm setting buys for, because I'm confident that if this will probably happen, and if it does, then I want to have buys down here, or in this range at least. That way I can, when it starts to bounce back, it's coming down more, because we don't look very strong right now. As far as like to keep going. That's just what I see. I can't really base it off too much of anything else. Take with that what you will. So I just wanted to give you guys also, as well as looking at Bitcoin. Let's look at the Bitcoin dominance chart as well. See here. This is on the 3 hour. Let me zoom out to the daily. I was on the 3 hour there, so I probably need to zoom out on that chart as well. That's probably why my lines look like that. So, okay, so we can see Bitcoin dominance is sitting at 57%. I think I mentioned in another video that Bitcoin dominance, the lower this is, the better it is for alts, right? Now, this alts aren't so closely tied to Bitcoin dominance as they were in the past, but this still does make a difference. Whenever Bitcoin dominance is on the rise, then Bitcoin is leading the charge, and so altcoins are going to take a back seat. So now, as Bitcoin dominance starts to come down, as you see here, we just hit sort of a not a high, but yeah, we just hit a high a little bit, I guess you could say. So we're about to start coming down, because we have to dip, and I don't think this this move up is, we're still inside of a downtrend if you really look at it. So this move up is going to be what? It's not going to be anything. We're going to get rejected right there. So you can clearly see that. So you can really delete that line. This is going to get rejected, and then we're going to come down. Something like that. That's what I see, and this is where alts start to make their run, right? Um, over this next week or two, right? It's going to be a good Christmas. That's what I see. Now, unless there's some kind of event where alts don't make a run either, and everything just kind of dips. Maybe you get a black swan type of event, but who knows? So and let's take a look at Bitcoin on the CME futures, because I think this is very popular.